If you need to reset your password on MetLife, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the MetLife website. Go to the official MetLife website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. On the password reset page, enter the required information, such as your email address or username associated with your account. Make sure the information is accurate. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset link from MetLife. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements provided. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your MetLife account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to MetLife customer support for further assistance.